Back in 1832, there was no regulation of the medical profession and anybody could call themselves a doctor, whether qualified or not. Because of this, the Provincial Medical and Surgical Association was created. It grew rapidly and in 1853 opened its doors to London's doctors, and the British Medical Association, otherwise known as the BMA, was born. It has represented doctors since the beginning of the NHS in 1948 and became an independent trade union in the mid-1970s and is officially recognised by all devolved governments and NHS employers. At the same time, the BMA presence in each of the devolved nations has been strengthened. Now, to build upon that heritage, let's talk about what BMA Cymru Wales can do for you and what you can do for BMA Cymru Wales. After all, the strength of the BMA is in its members. As a strong trade union, BMA Cymru Wales supports doctors and students who find themselves in difficulty. We'll protect your employment rights and promote your health and well-being through dedicated advisors and counselling services. Each year we provide representation to hundreds of doctors in disciplinary hearings, grievances and appeals, with a very high success rate to an increasing number of doctors. If you're not a member, you put yourself at risk of having to fund employment representation personally at a cost of up to £200 an hour, which mounts up rapidly. UK-wide, our instant advice service last year dealt with nearly 50,000 employment-related inquiries, from pay banding and leave entitlement to contract checking and rotas. With our Cardiff Bay offices only a stone's throw away from the National Assembly for Wales building, BMA Cymru Wales provides a national voice for doctors which is heard at the heart of government. With excellent productive working relationships with government ministers, assembly members and other key health officials and stakeholders, we're making a real difference for you and your profession. As your professional association, BMA Cymru Wales is also involved in leading the debate on health issues, including strongly supporting the ban on smoking in public places in Wales and ending risky, unsupervised sunbeds in local council premises. Other membership benefits include financial advice from independent advisors, career development advice, confidential 24-hour counselling, a great library, and much more. Our strength comes from our members at local and national levels. Whatever your specialism as a doctor, or wherever you are on your career path, we want you to join and be active in BMA Cymru Wales, your trade union, your professional association. For more information and to keep up to date with the important issues affecting medicine and health services in Wales, visit us at bma.org.uk or follow us online on Facebook, Twitter and our blog.